Today we're making miniature clay lovebirds. Lovebirds are a parrot species that come in a variety of colors, but for my design today you'll need primarily green clay with a little bit of yellow. This design also relies on acrylic paint to achieve the red and yellow colorizations on the bird's face. You can create this lime green color by mixing yellow clay with a little bit of blue. Roll the lime green clay into a ball and pinch out one end for the tail. It looks a little bit like a 3D speech bubble or a chunky tadpole. Roll 2 tiny black balls of clay for the eyes. For the beak, take a tiny ball of yellow clay and pinch one end out to be the pointy end of the beak. Now, you could just make a pair of lovebirds and that would certainly be cute enough, but I wanted to have a little extra fun and see what it would look like if they shared a heart. Roll and flatten light pink clay into a pancake or coin shape. With a thin stick or rod-like tool, indent one side of the coin. On the opposite side, pinch out the coin to create the bottom point of the heart. I tried to slice through the heart without distorting the overall shape too much. You might not have to do this step depending on the natural stickiness of your clay brand, but for extra security I put a piece of wire to attach each half of the heart to the birds. Bake the pieces in the oven, but with the birds separated so that they won't be stuck together indefinitely after they come out. Polymer clay could shrink or shift a little while in the oven, but it shouldn't be too much. For the painting stage, you have creative liberty to apply whatever colors or patterns you want, especially since lovebirds come in all sorts of colors. I'm keeping my design super simple and painting a little yellow beard under the face. Then I'm painting a red circle around the entire face and allowing some of that yellow paint to peek through the bottom of the circle. And there you have your 2 halves of a lovebird set. If you decide to make this piece as well, maybe for you and a loved one, I can't wait to see what you create. Till next time. It definitely looks better together because when they're by themselves, don't the half hearts look kind of funny? It's like a kidney.